How to fix volume too low on Windows. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix volume too low on Windows. The first thing you want to do is click on the sound icon at the bottom right corner and make sure that you have not muted that. So if it is muted, click on it once to unmute it, then drag the slider to the right hand side in order to increase the volume. Now the next thing you want to do is in the search menu, search for control panel. Then from this list, click on the sound option. Once you select sound, now select the output device, then click on communications. Here select do nothing and then click on apply and OK. Now the next thing you want to do is click on the property option, then click on levels. Here you want to increase the level of your audio output. After this, click on apply and OK. Now click on advanced. Here you want to select the sample rate and bit depth. So make sure that you select every single one of them individually. You can also click on the test option to test it out. And once you have found the rate that fixes your issue, click on the apply and OK option. Now another thing you can do is in the search menu, search for troubleshoot settings. Then click on the option of playing audio, then click on run the troubleshooter. Now it will detect problems over here, and according to the problem it will also suggest you some solutions. So you simply want to click on your preferred solution, and with this you will be able to fix the volume too low issue in Windows. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.